Open it up, baby.
What is it?
Here. It's just bags.
It's just bags.
It's not just bags. There's stuff inside the bags.
Where is it? Where is it? Where is it?
Open it up.
Oh.
What is it?
It's a camel in the desert.
In the desert?
Yeah. He's a camel.
That's a cute camel.
That's, oh my goodness. It's a, yeah. And
What is it? Hold on.
Cindy, wait. Guys, help it.
Okay, pull it out.
ooh, it's you.
Llama, red pajama. So maybe that's a llama.
Here. It's for you.
You instead of the camel, it's a llama.
It's a book for you.
For me? What is it?
Aww.
Oh, that's so sweet. That's so sweet. Everybody plays it. You can't. And
Holy cow.
Okay, one more thing, Sydney.
Want to see?
Yep.
Here. Let me hold the llama.
She can hold the llama.
Well, she needs both hands.
Oh, I don't know.
Here, open that up. It's Velcro. Just open it up.
Okay.
Pull it open. There you go. Good job.
And it's, I can't open it.
Are you going to dump it out? Go ahead.
Oh my goodness! And the gas is for me.
Cool, dude.
Ooh, and cool shoes for tapping.
For tapping.
Tap, tap, tap it out. Tap it out. Tap, tap, tap it out.
Yes, this is for me tapping.